Mistplay and AppStation both reward users for playing mobile games, but the better choice depends on how you want to earn rewards and which app is available in your region. By the end, you'll know how Mistplay and AppStation compare, what makes each app different, and what to check before choosing one. Mistplay works by giving users rewards for discovering and playing mobile games through the app. You usually earn by spending time with supported games and completing activities inside the platform. The rewards system is based around units that can be exchanged for available rewards. AppStation also focuses on rewarding users for playing mobile games. It tracks your activity with supported games and gives rewards based on your engagement. The main difference is the way each app presents games, tracks progress, and handles rewards. The first thing to compare is game availability. An app only helps if it has games you actually want to play. Open the available game list in both apps and check whether the titles match your interest before spending time on either one. The second thing to compare is the reward system. Mistplay uses units, while AppStation uses its own reward structure. Check the conversion options, minimum withdrawal requirements, and available rewards inside each app before deciding which one fits you better. The third thing to check is availability. Reward apps can change based on location, device type, and account status. If one app has limited access where you live, the other option may be more practical. Neither app guarantees a specific earning amount, because rewards depend on your activity, the games available to you, and the offers shown in your account. The best way to compare them is to test both apps and track which one gives you better rewards for the time you spend. If you prefer a gaming-focused rewards app with a unit system, Mistplay may feel easier to understand. If AppStation has better game options or reward choices for your account, it may be the better fit. Before choosing, install both apps if they are available to you, check their current game selections, review the reward options, and keep the one that gives you the better experience. The key points are simple. Compare available games, understand how each reward system works, and focus on the app that gives you the most value for your time. If this comparison helped you choose between Mistplay and AppStation, subscribe for more app guides and reward app fixes.